Hello friends. Guess what? Yo-Yo and Momo are super excited to share that they have received their student visa and they are now preparing for their departure. In today's video, Yo-Yo and Momo will talk about the pre-departure information. This video will guide you on what you need to prepare before you fly to study in Australia. Before we move ahead, we would like to thank you all for watching our videos and hoping you have learned a lot on how to prepare yourself for moving to Australia for further education. You have already taken the first steps to discovering yourself and the results will show that it is an easy process which if done with proper guidance will take you to your destination. More importantly, your win is our win. We want you to succeed and your success will be the greatest testimonial we can get. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let us begin. It's the time to book flights, find accommodation and tick off some of the important things on your to-do list to ensure a smooth transition into Australian life. Here are the things you need to do. 1. You will need to book either temporary or permanent accommodation. To know more about how to find accommodation, watch our video on how to find temporary and permanent accommodation in Melbourne. The link is in the description below. 2. You will need to book your flights. You will need to ensure you arrive in Australia at least a week before your orientation. Orientation is extremely important and we encourage all our students to attend orientation. 3. You will need to book your airport pickup. You can book your airport pickup either through your university or your friends or family. Alternatively, you can catch a cab upon arrival from the airport to your destination. 4. You will need to prepare your budget. We have provided detailed information on income and expense in our previous video. We encourage all the students to watch our video to better prepare your budget. The link is in the description below. 5. We encourage all the students to attend the pre-departure briefing or information session arranged by your university. Please contact your university to find out more about it. And the last thing you need to do is pack your bags. You will need to ensure you pack some essential things in your bag. Please bear in mind that everything is available in Australia. You can consider packing things such as original documents, especially your passport, copy of your visa, a copy of your COE and offer letter, and original academic documents. Australian dollars to cover at least 4 months of living expense. You can bring it in the form of traveler's check or any other acceptable form available in your home country. Although you should be able to buy trendy clothes in Australia, we would recommend that you bring some formal and casual clothing for your initial few months. Any other personal item that you find necessary for yourself according to your daily routine and necessity. If you need to bring any food, please ensure you first check the items you are allowed to bring in Australia. You can do so by visiting the Australian Border Force website. If you are allowed to bring any food item, please ensure you label it and declare it as required. If you have a laptop, you can bring it over. Alternatively, you may consider buying a laptop in Australia. An average price for a laptop can be anywhere between $500 to $2,000 Australian dollars. Consider buying Microsoft Surface Book i5 8GB 128GB. The link is in the description. Check it out. That's it for now friends. We will be back soon with some new information. Stay tuned to know how Yo-Yo and Momo will spend the first week in Australia. We trust you will subscribe to our channel.